Hi everyone, welcome to the English language class. So, from the following sentences, which one do you think is grammatically correct? Let's hear. She ordered the food. 1. 2. She ordered for the food. What's your answer? Which one is correct? She ordered the food. Correct. She ordered the food. That's correct answer. She ordered for the food. Wrong, wrong, wrong answer. This is wrong answer. Why? Why is it wrong? Because to order something means to ask for something. Therefore, order doesn't require or need a preposition for in sentence. I am Sani Yakubu. Bye for now.